This here's one of my favorite models. We've been selling these for 20 years. This is the 39DLB2. It's a Quailridge 2-bedroom rear loft. And we sell 10 or 12 of these every year. I'll tell you what sells them. The MSRP is under 50 and they are well equipped. House type rear entry door, box bay, rear ladder loft, sleeps 10 easily. This one's just in. I wanted people to see it's sandalwood with the tan window and trim package. Really pretty trailer. We generally skirt this with the tan to match the trim. So heading on inside, there's the rear ladder loft. And of course there's no weight limit up there because it's structurally sound. You could fit whatever amount of people you want up there and they're allowed to be there. So here's the master bedroom. Queen bed, his and hers wardrobe, sleeper sofa, rocker recliner, table and 4 chairs. You got dual mounting options for the TV. If you want about a 40-incher, it can go there. We also have it pre-wired for any size TV to go on the wall here. Ceiling fan, 30-inch range, 24-inch microwave. Here's the best part, the guest room. Bunks, again with no limit. Is no weight limit on them. And they are twins or fulls. Twins, I guess you call them. Great big closet, coat closet, entry door, storage drawers, 56,000 BTU furnace. Again, this one's just in. I wanted to get it out there. Skylight in the bath. Lets a lot of light in, a lot of natural light. Nice medicine cabinet. Vanity toilet. Plank wood linoleum throughout. Hey, what can I say? It's hard to beat this one under 50,000. I'm not going to crawl up in the loft, but there it is. And it does have a storage compartment. So anyhow, got any questions about these or any more of my Quailridge Park models? Give me a call. Kelly Hicks, 815-849-9089. We're in Sublette, Illinois, about 80 miles west of Chicago. Always have the best selection of park models in the United States.